Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Archero 2 guys. In this video I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get the mod guys for iOS and Android for this game. So if you are looking to get a mod with unlimited resources guys, as I mentioned before, it works for the both devices iOS and Android. So let me show you also on my iPhone right here. It's working totally fine. Let's just me open it and I'm going to share with you guys this method. I found it out so you can learn it also how to do it on your own device by yourself. Okay, so it's pretty simple guys and very easy to do it, so just follow me until the end. I'm going to share everything you need to know. Okay, as you can see also in iOS, my phone also works as well. So before we start guys, you just need to check a few things in the settings so the whole process goes smoothly. So I'm just continuing with iPhone because you need to do some changes in the settings for the iPhone if you haven't done it before. Okay, so before you have to go to your settings guys, and then a lot of people like to use lower power mode guys, all right, to save battery. But if you are using lower power mode, it means that sorry, okay, one more time, go in the settings. It got interrupted. One more time. Okay, here we are. So as I mentioned before, a lot of people like to use lower power mode, but if you're using a lower power mode, you go back to the settings and scroll it down to App Store right here. As you can see, automatic downloads will be disabled. All right, so in order to make this enable, because it's very important for the process, you need to go here to battery, turn it off, and then if you go back again, you're gonna see it in App Store, everything is gonna be enabled again. So the first part here, app downloads, make sure it is on. If you have it off, turn it on guys. It allows automatic downloads in your device. Okay, so this tab that I showed you right now is required just if you are using iOS device. If you are using Android, you don't have to do anything in the settings because Android is a different system and it does it by itself automatically. Okay, the next thing we have to do guys, for the both devices iOS and Android, you have to go to your internet browser, go and search about this site. It's called Modolix, Modolix. Once you're gonna enter in guys, you have a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm gonna use just the searching bar here, not to make the video too long. And here it is here guys. Here you have the information about the game guys and the mod as well, and here in the corner you have the install button guys. So basically you just need to press on it, and then to continue until the end you're going to be able to get the mod same as me. So this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.